Good morning, students. Students, hopefully you all are fine and you must be enjoying your GK lessons also, and you are gaining knowledge as well from my lectures. And it is my request that you should learn them and keep revising them so that you may not forget them. Children, the first question I have for you today is, who has been appointed as India's next permanent representative to UNESCO? Vishal V. Sharma is the answer. And Vishal V. Sharma has been appointed as the permanent representative to UNESCO with the rank of ambassador. He will replace Javed Ashraf. And children, you must be familiar with the full form of UNESCO. It is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Now the second question, who has authored the book The Battle of Belonging? Now this book is written by Shashi Tharoor. This book will be released in November 2020 and this book will be published by LF Book Company. ये बुक कंपनी का नाम है जो इस बुक को पब्लिश करेगा, LF Book Company. This book will be on theory, evolution and practice of nationalism across the globe and especially in India. Next question. On 15th October 2020, the Union Education Minister has launched a campaign for intellectual, literary and awareness program in honor of 89th birth anniversary celebration of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Name the campaign. Now see this question carefully. 15th October 2020. This campaign has been launched and the date 15th October is the birth anniversary of APJ Abdul Kalam. You will read the question carefully so that you can get all the information which is given in the question. And the name of the campaign is Kapila. Its full form is Kalam Program for Intellectual Property, Literary and Awareness Campaign. Now the fourth question. What is the position of India in the Asia Par Index 2020? Now it is fourth position with a score of 39.7 out of 100 as released by the Sydney-based लोई इंस्टीट्यूट. ये लोई इंस्टीट्यूट सिडनी में है जो कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है. इसने अपने सर्वे के अकॉर्डिंग इंडिया की पोजीशन एशिया पार में फोर्थ बताई है. Next question, which is question number 5. Who represented India in third G20 Sherpas meeting held recently? Now this is Suresh Prabhu, who has represented India in third G20 Sherpas meeting. Suresh Prabhu is a member of parliament from BJP and in the third G20 Sherpa meeting, he encouraged the member nations to enhance renewable energy production. सुरेश प्रभु जी ने रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ावा दिया है, एनहांस किया है मेंबर नेशन से कहा है कि रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन का बढ़ावा मिलना चाहिए बिकॉज दे कैन बी रीजनरेटेड, उनको दोबारा से हम रीन्यू कर सकते हैं, जैसे सोलर एनर्जी है। दिस मीटिंग वॉज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अंडर द प्रेसिडेंसी ऑफ सऊदी अरेबिया। नाउ द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, व्हेन इज वर्ल्ड स्टैटिस्टिक्स डे ऑब्जर्व्ड? It is observed on 20 October. The theme of World Statistics Day 2020 is Connecting the World with Data We Can Trust. This theme reflects the world importance of trust. Next is Operation My Saheli has been launched by which organization? अब ऑपरेशन माई सहेली को लॉन्च किया है इंडियन रेलवेज ने। इट वॉज लॉन्च्ड बाय द साउथ ईस्टर्न रेलवे टू बूस्ट द सेफ्टी ऑफ वुमेन पैसेंजर्स ड्यूरिंग देयर एंटायर ट्रेन जर्नी। मतलब वुमेन्स की सेफ्टी के लिए, पूरे यात्रा के दौरान सेफ्टी के लिए ये ऑपरेशन माई सहेली को लॉन्च किया है। डॉक्टर G.S. अमूर पास्ड अवे रिसेंटली। What was he by profession? Children, he was a writer. He was proficient in Kannada and English languages. Kannada is the language of Karnataka. He used to write in Kannada language and English languages. He had won many awards, including Sahitya Academy Award, Bharatiya Bhasha Award, and Rajyotsava Award. Next question. Which state has launched women safety campaign named Safe City Project and Mission Shakti? ये क्वेश्चन अगेन वुमेन सेफ्टी के ऊपर है और ये दोनों कैंपेन सेफ सिटी प्रोजेक्ट और मिशन शक्ति, इसको उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार ने लॉन्च किया है। आंसर इज उत्तर प्रदेश। नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, it is Himayat Sagar Lake is located in which state? Himayat Sagar Lake is located in Telangana, and this lake is an artificial lake about 20 kilometers from Hyderabad in Telangana. ये एक आर्टिफिशियल लेक है, मतलब ये नेचुरली नहीं बना है। दिस इज़ मेड बाय human beings and it is 20 kilometers away from Hyderabad. Children, you will write all these questions in your notebook and learn them. Not only the answers, but you will go through the questions also well. Thank you, children.